quick video of a few modifications I've done to the little Xiaomi. Main thing I did was the front suspension. That really does make quite a difference on the front end, the steering, the ride. Second thing I did, box on the front, unzips, carries bits and pieces. Put a bar on there because there isn't enough room for all the bits and bobs you want to put on. Indicators, press it there. It's not very bright during the day. And there's also one on the rear. Different bell. Plays about 8 different tunes. Grips. Changed the grips for foam ones, which are much better, much more comfortable. And also I put the twist grip throttle on from an e-scooter, not one of these type, the other type. I think that's it up there. Hook there for hook a shopping bag on. That's it there. The other thing I put on was the seat. And that unclips really fast, just a few seconds to undo the screws at the bottom. Just flick them, turn it a couple of times and it's off. That's easy enough. If I'm feeling lazy, I stick that on, or if I'm going any distance I suppose I would. That's it. The back I've put a spacer on there in case I put 10-inch wheels on. Tyres, sorry. Put that on at the same time as I put the bracket, which has come adrift now. And the indicator at the rear is the same one at the front. Put that on. As I say, when it's a bit brighter in the night time, I'll just attach that one to the seat. So I suppose I should attach it to the mudguard really at the rear somehow, put a bracket on, because if I take the seat off, of course I haven't got the rear indicator. Other than that, it's great scooter, great fun, great to ride.